Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today I am going to show you some plants that have extremely attractive leaves. Most of the plants bloom as well, but they are mostly grown because of their very attractive leaves. So let's take a look at the list of the plants that we have. Let's start the list with one of the gorgeous plants, and this plant is known as Iron Cross Begonia. Most of the begonias look really very attractive. For example, Rex begonia or even shrub begonia, and just take a look at the leaves and it's really hard to believe that we have such beautiful plant in our world. My plant is blooming as well, as we can see, and please note that most of the plants whatever I am going to show you here, they cannot handle the direct sunlight. They do well in bright area, and this is the same thing for Iron Cross begonia. But please also note that there are some other plants that can handle the direct sunlight, and I would let you know which plants you can keep under direct sunlight. The second plant is coral bells. Quite a beautiful plant, and in tropical climate, that means place like India, we can grow the coral bells in winter time. You can keep your coral bells either in bright area, or if you provide your plants let's say 1 to 2 hours of direct sunlight, it would be absolutely fine. Other than the coral bells, all the other plants whatever I am going to show you here, we can grow them at any time of the year. The third plant is absolutely black color, and it's the Raven ZZ plant. But whenever we see the new growths, we can see the green color as well. Very expensive plant, and for your info, this is one of my expensive plants and it was 1500 at the time of buying. I believe you already know that ZZ plant is one of the most popular indoor plants, and that's why please keep your plant only in bright area. If you keep your plant under direct sunlight, you are going to find yellow leaves. The fourth plant is purple passion. Quite a beautiful plant, and it's also blooming. Many people actually prefer to cut the blooms because they think that blooms are not that attractive. But it's not a big deal for me, and I let my plant grow how it wants. We can keep the purple passion plant either indoor, or you can also keep your plant in a place where it's going to get the morning sunlight, let's say for 2 to 3 hours. The fifth plant is red basil. I grew my basil from the seeds, and so far they are growing well. If you like, you can grow the basil indoor as well, but you would need to keep them in bright area. But I am keeping my plants on terrace, and here you can see they are blooming as well. So from number 1 to number 5, so far we are unable to see the green leaves, and that's why I decided to do this special video just for you. The next plant is Graptophyllum pictum. I am getting really very hard to pronounce all the names, and I hope that I am doing it right way. Most commonly it's known as caricature plant, and you can keep the plant indoor or even outdoor as well. As of now I am keeping the plant in my balcony itself, and it's the winter time and it's getting the direct sunlight for around 1 to 2 hours. However, at the summer time, please be careful and make sure to keep your plant only in bright area. On number 7, we have again one very popular plant which is known as purple heart. I have already few videos on purple hearts, like I have shown how to grow it, how to make it much more bushier and all other things. Very easy to grow plant, and I believe anybody would be able to grow the purple heart really very well. We need to provide direct sunlight to our purple hearts plant, and if we don't do that, we are not going to see the colorful leaves. Minimum 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight is needed for purple hearts, and it's also okay if you provide them whole day of direct sunlight. On number 8, we have wandering jew. Again, very easy to grow plant, and here is one of my plant. looking quite bushy if I am not wrong. Like Purple Heart, we need to provide direct sunlight to our wandering zoo plant, or else we are not going to find the colorful leaves. In the winter time, we can also find few dry leaves on our plants. It's absolutely normal. You don't have to worry about it. You can simply pull out all those dry leaves. On number 9, we have Flame Violet. Quite a beautiful plant, and it's one of the best plants for hanging basket. They cannot handle the direct sunlight and they bloom well in the summertime. I hope my plant is going to bloom very soon. Finally, the last plant in our list is Calathea. I am not going to say that Calathea is one of the easiest plants to grow. It's not, and if you are new to gardening, then it would be much better if you avoid this plant initially and grow some other plants. So guys, these were the 10 plants with extremely colorful leaves. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if you did, please let me know, as I have many such plants to share with you. If you want me to do one more video on similar plants, then please let me know and I will do the part B. Finally, if you found it useful, please don't forget to like the video, share it and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a great time and enjoy.